So in this question, we are asked to describe the difference between the calculation of the population standard deviation, which is sigma, and the sample standard deviation, S. So let's go ahead and write out the formulas for the population and the sample standard deviation. So the population standard deviation, sigma, basically takes the sum of squares divided by n, whereas the sample standard deviation takes the sum of squares difference from the sample mean divided by n minus 1, and we take the square root of each of these. So if we look at them, the difference is that the population standard deviation sigma is divided by n, while the sample standard deviation S is divided by n minus 1 before taking the square root. And the reason for this is because the sample standard deviation is basically an estimator of the population standard deviation, and so that's why it's divided by n minus 1, because it doesn't have all of the values of the population. It's only a sample. So basically, the main difference is that it's divided by n minus 1 before taking the square root.